Stream on YouTube using Streamlabs. First of all, go to your YouTube and click on Create, Go Live, and select Go Live using streaming software. And here, go to your Streamlabs and add your video and audio sources. Now we have to log in here. So click on Login and log into Streamlabs with YouTube. So select your login with YouTube and select your YouTube account and just sign in to your Streamlabs using your YouTube. Once you successfully signed in, now click on Go Live. Here you have to enable the YouTube option, and if you want to go live with multiple platforms at the same time, then you can do it from here. So right now I'm just turning on YouTube option, and now add here the event or video title and change here your YouTube live video. You can add a description, change your privacy. Now just click on confirm and go live, and it may take some moments to connect to your Streamlabs with your YouTube live streaming. Once you successfully started live streaming, go to your YouTube and click on this manage option, and here as you can see, I've successfully started live on my YouTube using my Streamlabs. And here we can see the live preview. That's it.